How to add a link to your private story on Snapchat. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can add a link to your private story on the Snapchat. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, to add a link to your private story on the Snapchat, you will have to follow some steps and create the private story by tapping on your profile, selecting the create private story. So I will have to tap on add my story, and you can see under the add to my story new private story. So you will have to tap on the new private story, and you will have to select the people that you wanted to share your story with. So let me select any of the person from there. So after that, you will have to tap right here on create story. So after that, you will have to tap right here on the save. So you can see that this private story will be added. So guys, after creating a private story, take a snap or upload a snap to it. So let me upload the snap to it. So let me select this photo, and you can see I can change the filters of that photo as well. So guys, tap on the paperclip icon or the link icon, which can usually be found on the right side of the vertical menu items. So here you found the pencil clip icon. So you have to tap right here, and after that you will have to enter your link there. So guys, here you enter your URL you want to link to add to your story. This will create a link within your private story that viewers can click on. So I have to paste my link there. So by following these steps, you can add a link to your private story on the Snapchat. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.